So x, y, and z are real numbers in increasing order, and our quantity a here is their average, and y here is the median. So this is kind of a classic question. I'm going to start by manipulating these expressions, so I can multiply both sides by 3. That doesn't change the comparison. 3 is a positive. And then I subtract a y, I get 2y. And then what I'm going to do is to rewrite this as y plus y. And I'm going to move this y here and the x here, and you'll see why I'm tempted to do that. So z minus y, and this side would be y minus x. Note, both of these quantities are positive because y is greater than x, and then same with z is greater than y. So I just have to compare these two positive quantities, and if I visualize this with the number line, y is here, x is here, z is here. So y can be anywhere between x and z. So if we look at z minus y is that distance, and y minus x is this distance. In this particular case, z minus y is greater. But I could slide y to here. In this case, z minus y would be less than y minus x. So I can't really determine this relationship based on the information I've given, so the answer is D. So this is how I approached it originally. You can certainly do it with examples, that is values. And the most common one that most students are going to pick are 1, 2, and 3, which is fine. So here, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that's the average. Y is also 2. They're equal. So I just have to come up with an example where they're not equal. So maybe I'll pick 1, 2, and 3. Let me pick 6. The reason is because now the average, x plus y plus z plus 3, will be 3. And then y is 2. So now here quantity A is greater. So earlier was equal. Now it's greater, and that would show D. So certainly using examples is a great way to do this. This is just my preference because I know these kind of manipulations help you in other questions as well, and that's just how I prefer to go about it. But you know, you should choose the method that works best for you. So to summarize, the answer here is D.